Hi friends, welcome to Naresh IT Technologies. Today, let us start the third session on profit and loss. Today, let us discuss one model which is generally asked in exams. Let us look into the question. A shopkeeper by mistake calculates profit on selling price and announces it as 50%. Find his actual profit percentage. Here in the question it is given a shopkeeper by mistake calculates profit on selling price. Now first of all, is it a mistake to calculate profit on selling price? Obviously it is a mistake because profit percentage is always calculated on cost price. Now here instead of calculating on cost price, the shopkeeper calculated profit on selling price and he is saying his profit is 50%. So we need to find what is his actual profit percentage. Now if you look into the solution, according to the shopkeeper, his statement is profit of 50%. 50% of which price? 50% of selling price. Actually it should be 50% of cost price, but by mistake he calculated on selling price. So now his profit is 50%, but it is of selling price. Now what is the simple meaning of this? Now the simple meaning of this is if selling price is 100, then profit is 50. Selling price is 100, profit is 50. So what is the cost price? Obviously it should be 50. So now let us try to find out what is his actual profit percentage. So profit should always be calculated on cost price. So 50 by 50 into 100. So his actual profit percentage would be 100%. So this is how we can answer this type of question in a simple way. Now let us look into the next problem in the same model. The second question, a shopkeeper by mistake calculates loss on selling price and announces it as 25%. Find his actual loss percentage. Now in this question it is given a shopkeeper by mistake calculates loss on selling price. First of all, is it a mistake to calculate loss on selling price? Obviously it is a mistake because loss percentage is always calculated on cost price. Profit percentage as well as loss percentage are always calculated on cost price. But here the shopkeeper by mistake he calculated his loss on selling price and he is announcing it as 25%. It means according to the shopkeeper his loss is 25% of selling price. Now once again, what is the simple meaning of this? The simple meaning of this is if selling price is 100, loss is 25. Now this is the meaning of this statement. If selling price is 100, there is a loss of 25. That means what is the cost price? So cost price of the article should be 125. Now let us try to calculate his actual loss percentage. His actual loss percentage would be 25 by 125 into 100. 5 20s. So his actual loss would be 20%. Now this is a simple method to answer this type of questions. Now let us look into the third and final problem in this model. The third problem, a shopkeeper by mistake calculates discount on selling price and announces it as 50%. Find his actual discount percentage. Now in the question it is given a shopkeeper by mistake calculates discount on selling price. First of all, is it a mistake to calculate discount on selling price? Obviously it is a mistake because discount is always calculated on marked price. But here, instead of calculating on marked price, the shopkeeper calculates the discount on selling price and announces it as 50%. It means that according to the shopkeeper, his discount is 50% of selling price. Now, what is the simple meaning of this? The simple meaning of this would be, if selling price is 100, discount is 50. Now, selling price, discount. The other price that should come into picture is marked price, because discount is always calculated on marked price. Now, selling price is 100, discount is 50. That means marked price should be 150. As we know, marked price minus discount gives you selling price. So, marked price should be 150. So, his actual discount percentage would be 50. Discount 50 by marked price 150 into 100. Now, 50 by 150 is 1/3, and 1/3, 100 by 3 is 33, 1/3%. Now, this is how we can answer these questions in a simple way. Thank you for watching. For more videos, subscribe at Naresh IT.